Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your Steam password. So first, go ahead and launch your Steam application on your device, log into your specific account, and tap on the Steam icon in the top of the screen, which is in the top left corner. Click on Settings, and this will open a new window of Steam settings. From this page, you need to go to the Security tab from the left, which is between Family and Notifications. Now under account name section in the right hand side of the screen, you'll get the option of change password. Go ahead and select it. You'll get two different options to change your password. Steam will email you an account verification code to the specific Gmail that is associated with your Steam account. Or if you do not have access to this email address or you did not receive the code, you can click on this option right here and follow the on-screen instructions to do so. Otherwise, click on email and account verification code, and you need to enter the account verification code that you received. Open that specific Gmail, copy the code in your clipboard, come back to Steam and paste it right here. Once done, click on continue, and now you'll get the section to change your password. Go ahead and enter the new password that you want to set, and also re-enter your new password in the next field. Tap on change password and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.